everyone, so welcome back to my channel. You'll probably notice that I'm in a bit of a different setting. I have a new little setup going on here. I got myself a new desk, got my laptop, got my camera, got my lighting, got my mic, got everything sorted. It looks a bit weird that there's a lot of pictures behind me, and my camera keeps focusing on my face, but they're all of me, which makes me seem so vain. But I promise I'm not that vain. Actually, those are actually pictures that I got printed, or well, my mum got printed for my 21st birthday party and kind of had them plastered all over the place. So she wants to keep them and just stuck them on my wardrobe for me. So yeah, I'm not really that vain, I swear. It looks so weird, but this is the best I can do with the background that I have. So yeah, there's some of my makeup in the background and me posing like a weirdo like I normally do. So yeah, that's my background sorted. I'm very excited because I've got lots of space to do work, and I used to do it at my kitchen table, used to film at my kitchen table, and I used to do my intro and outro and my photographs sitting on the floor against a white background. So yeah, now I've got an actual proper background and a proper desk that I have like a workspace. It's great. This has been a work in progress, so yeah, I'm so happy. So onto the makeup anyway. That's the whole point of this video. I'm doing a tutorial for you guys. It's another springy, sort of colourfully sort of look. I find this quite wearable. It's like really peachy orange shades. Really softly blended, so nothing too harsh. And I did do a little pop of blue in the waterline because the orange and the blue will bounce off each other and make it really eye-catching. A little bit of shimmer on the inside and a pair of lashes. So yeah, everything else quite soft. Really loving this lip, by the way. You'll see it in the video, but this is the MAC lipstick in Pure Vanity. It is a limited edition one, but this with, where's she gone? It's Catrice Twist Up lip liner. This is my new favorite combo. This is going to be my holiday combo. I love it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off this look like every other look that I do, priming my eye from lid to brow and along my lower lash line. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion for this look. The first shadow I'm going to use is Inglot's eyeshadow in Matte 368, which is a really light peach shade. And I'm just taking that on a MAC 217 brush and blending that into my crease as my transition shade. I'm also taking that on the same brush and just buffing that along my lower lash line. On another 217 brush from MAC, I'm going to take the eyeshadow Inglot Matte 361, which is a bit more of a corally peach shade, and I'm using that just to deepen my crease a little bit more. And on a small little smudging brush, I'm taking that along my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in Matte 366 on a small little fluffy brush, and I'm applying that mainly to my outer crease area and into the deepest part of my crease, just to deepen the look a little bit more. But I still don't want it to be too dark. I still want it to be nice and bright. That's why I'm not using any dark shades. I'm using just bright shades. And on the same smudging brush I used before, I'm taking that along my lower lash line as well. Try to get this one as close as you can to your lower lashes. And with my first 217 with the light peach shade on it, I'm going to use that to blend out all the edges all the way around my eyes. For my lid shade, I'm going to use Inglot eyeshadow in Pearl 393, which is a really pale peach shade and has a really nice shine to it. And I'm just packing that all over my lid. I'm blending it slightly into the peacher shades in the crease on the outer corner. To
add a little bit of colour to this look, I'm going to use Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Deep End, which is a really, really bright teal shade. And I'm just popping that in my waterline. Now that the colour on the eyes is done, I'm going to use my under eye concealer just to tidy up my under eye and conceal my dark circles. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Inglot Pure Pigment in 115, which is a really, really light, slightly peachy nudie shade, but it's super sparkly. And I'm just popping that on my inner tear duct area just to brighten that area. I'm actually doing something right now that I don't normally do. I'm applying lashes before I've put my mascara on. I normally put my mascara on first and then apply my lashes afterwards. But I thought they'd look more natural since I wasn't doing any liner on my upper lash line if I did it this way. Also, if you want to know what lashes I'm using in this video, they will be listed down below. For my skin, I'm going to use Benefit's Hoola Lite. And I'm just taking that around the outer perimeters of my face, kind of in my contour areas, but on my cheekbone a little bit more than I normally would with contour. And this is the perfect bronzer for pale skin, absolutely perfect. On my cheeks, I'm going to take MAC's blush in Peachykeen, which is like a corally pink with a gold shimmer running through it, and I'm just popping that on the apples of my cheeks and blending that back into the bronzer. For my highlight, I'm going to take the Primark or Penny's PS Glow palette, and I'm taking the shade Eden, which I actually really love this as a highlight. I'm quite surprised that I'm using a lot of the products from my Penny's / Primark haul try-on video. To line my lips, I'm taking Catrice Precision Lip Liner in Lost in the Rosewood, a very long name, and I'm just using that to line my lips and lightly fill them in. And finally, on my lips, I'm going to use MAC's lipstick in Pure Vanity. Now, unfortunately, this was a limited edition to the Vibe Tribe collection, I think it was. But you could use anything like MAC's Ravishing, Pure Zen, Kinda Sexy, Shy Girl, any of those sort of shades, and they would all go with this look as well.
Alrighty guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. It's an easy enough look to do. It's just blending and placing of colours. It's not anything too technical, so once you get used to that, it's actually quite easy to do. I just love the contrast between the blue and the orange. You could swap that for any sort of colour. You could do the peach with a green, would look cool for Paddy's Day. Yeah. Like a really soft Paddy's Day look, that'd be quite nice. Yeah, you could kind of swap around and do a few different combinations with this sort of look. I just think it's really nice for spring, going into the summer, nice little pop of colour, that's still quite wearable. Let me put my ears back out. So yeah, if you do like this look, then give me a big thumbs up. I will have closer pictures posted on my Instagram, which will be linked below. I'm going to link a few of my other videos that I've had put up. So my last video was a full face using Pennies and Primark makeup, and then before that it was my Paddy's Day look, which I love my Paddy's Day look. I'll have those linked down below as well, so you can give them a check out and look at some of my previous videos. I think my next video is still going to be a tutorial, so yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up like I said, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you think of the look, what you think of my little setup as well, and it's not really going to change anyway. If you don't like it, it's going to stay like this because this is where my desk is, so this is the way it's going to be. But yeah, let me know what you think anyway. And using my mic as well. I have been using my mic only for my voiceover, so I'm using my mic now for my outros. Yeah, hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.